Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So what is a smart invert and classic invert in iOS devices? So today we have iPad Pro 11 inches 2020. So let me show you in the settings and in the accessibility. This is classic invert and this is smart invert. So if you turn on classic invert, it's gonna reverse the colors of the display of this iPad. So if you wanna use this iPad in these colors, you can do that. And if you wanna go back to the normal, you can just turn it off. Smart classic invert, you can just turn it off, and as you can see, we are back into the normal theme. That's how you change the smart invert and classic invert settings in accessibility. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.